Hello everyone, I am Walt. Today we are doing another part of the Enlightened Life series, and this is here with another part of Think and Grow Rich. One of my favorite books of all time, as I have talked about before. But yeah, let's dive back into it. Today's principle is principle number 3, auto-suggestion. And this is a pretty big one, okay? So a lot of times when it comes down to things, people really miss this principle. They don't know about it, or they don't use it even when they do know about it. And this one can be tricky to always implement and such. So what is this all about? What is this auto-suggestion? This is basically the mechanism of how we can build up our inner faith, our belief in ourselves, basically. This is kind of how we do that, because you need to be able to establish belief in things you cannot yet do, okay? You need to believe you can do something before you can actually do it. So you're going to be watching yourself fail at stuff, and you're going to be like, okay, so you say I'm going to be great at doing this, but I'm horrible at it, so why should I believe in myself? Well, the thing is, belief is what's going to allow you to actually succeed in things. If you do not believe in yourself, you do not have inner faith in what you can do, then you're not going to be able to accomplish it. But to move forward, we need to be able to have faith, have belief in things we can't actually do yet. So how do we do that? How do we build up some belief in things we can't actually do as of yet? Well, the answer to that one is a little less difficult than you might initially think it would be. And this is basically where auto-suggestion comes in. This is where what you're going to be doing is going and creating affirmations and giving this as a self-suggestion there. You can also use subliminal messaging a little bit. There are some good techniques on that one. You can use visioneering, and of course you can use Napoleon Hill's patented, tried and true kind of method of taking an index card or some small piece of paper and writing down a goal that you have. Usually it's best to have this goal within a period of a few years. It can be 5 years, 10 years, it could be as little as like 3 years, depending on what you want to do there. And reading it to yourself every morning and every night, where you're going to be, so this is kind of like the big technique out of Think and Grow Rich that gets a lot of people up to this point. They give it a shot. They don't tend to read enough the rest of it, because the rest of it is definitely worth reading. Or they try to implement this method too soon. But give this one a shot here. Write down on your index card what it is you truly desire. And then, of course, Napoleon Hill has this whole part about what you're willing to give in exchange for it. That there is no such thing as something for nothing, as to get rid of the ability to want to wish to achieve something and not to actually put in the effort. Because a lot of the success process is going to be putting in effort, okay? You need to be able to put in effort to succeed in the long run. But otherwise, watch my affirmation tutorial there. We have great materials on visualization and visioneering out on the internet. There's so many good methods for how to achieve in that way. So subliminal messaging, I would also recommend a method where you're going to hang up posters on the wall, things you're going to glance at from time to time, which is one thing he talks about, which is a great principle here, that you can put these objects around you and you can build up a sense of achievement based on those. You can put up things about how you're winning and you're successful and victory, all these kind of positive, loving emotions, not the fearful, emotions. But the loving emotions can build up this sense by just, having things around you that give you that subconscious suggestion, because your subconscious mind takes in way more information than just you naturally do. So it's going to see the little things around you, including your posters and your information, and that's really going to sink in. And using affirmations, of course, can make a massive difference on this path. But yeah, that's about it for auto-suggestion. All you're going to be doing is giving your subconscious mind a little nudge here with visioneering or affirmations or any of these techniques, because they can massively change your belief in yourself, and that will build so much of the progress towards your success. Anyway, I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our 4th principle, specialized knowledge. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.